Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nadia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Yes, you guys know in my vlog video I actually said that I'm gonna be sharing this beautiful waterfall here in Switzerland. Yes, we was in holidays, so we decided to just stop by to see this beautiful place. So basically this is my first time visiting this place, and I was so excited to see this beautiful place. Yes, we was a little bit late to catch this little canoe, and we were so happy as well because this was just the last one that we could take to go around the Rhine, and we were so excited to take this canoe. So yes, this place, this waterfall is actually one of the biggest waterfall in Switzerland. I think it's one of the biggest waterfall in Switzerland. This waterfall is so beautiful, and it's really big. There's a lot you can do here. If you are visiting Switzerland, I highly recommend you to come and visit this beautiful place. You're going to love it, trust me. They actually have a lot of things. They have hotels around, they have a lot of bars around where you can sit down and take your drink. And there in the corner you can also walk up the stairs, and you can go down to the waterfall, and you can take your beautiful pictures there as well. And there in the other corner you can also walk on the Rhine. You can take a walk, and they have also a forest where you can walk inside the forest. You can literally do a lot of things here. You are not gonna get bored. This place is so beautiful. Like I said, if you are here or you're planning to come to Switzerland, I will be dropping all the link for you guys to see how beautiful this place is. Just come and check this place out. I know Switzerland have a lot of beautiful places, but this waterfall is the biggest one they have here. And yeah, I was so excited to go and check it out. So I was already in another one, which I will be sharing with you guys again in another video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, stay tuned if you want to see all of that. Yeah, so we really have our good time here, and we took this canoe. Like I said, the canoe can really take you close to the waterfall, really close to it. And it's not scary at all. Okay, it's not scary. I know it might be scary for some people, but honestly speaking, it was not too scary, and it just take you really close so that you can take your beautiful picture. Okay, so yeah, you can also stay there. There's a bar which was also in front, was just right in front of the Rhine. You can also sit there and take your gorgeous pictures. Okay, this place is beautiful. I recommend it. And yeah, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Big thanks to all my old subscribers. I really appreciate your love. May God bless you as you keep supporting my channel. And also to my new subscribers, thank you all so much for coming. I really appreciate. God bless you all. And there's more video on the way coming. Stay tuned for that. We have been this time this couple of days and a lot of holidays. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of video coming up. Okay, just stay tuned, guys. So thank you all so much for watching. Hope to catch you all in my next one. Much love. Bye.